I want to show you guys the correct way to install a metal valley in a roof. So as you start laying out your roof into this valley, obviously you're going to cut this valley, and this metal extends way up into the valley. But as you can look here, and you can see this piece of roofing right here, how it's going to be cut straight up and down. You know, it's the end of probably the end of the shingle. Anyway, it's cut straight up and down, but the top of it up here, you cut at an angle. So basically you have the top of your shingle, then just take and cut that top corner off like at an angle, and then come straight down. That way, if water is running down this valley and gets underneath this, it runs across somehow, and if it hits the top of this shingle, if that top of that shingle is like, where's it at? The top of that shingle is right here, right? So if water was able to get in there and hit the top of that shingle, it's going to run over here along the top of that shingle and then down. But if you take and you just cut a 45 on the top of that shingle, the water that hits it, it'll deflect it and run it down this way back into the channel onto the metal. So the top of that, along the valley, that top last shingle, cut a 45 on the very top of it. You'll be happy you did.